last week, BC's Premier John Horgan said that Vancouver being a hub city would be, in his opinion, barely a blip for the local economy. So my question for you is just where are things at with Edmonton? Has there been a formal proposal? And what do you see as being the tangible benefits for Edmonton and Alberta if we do play a role in resuming the NHL season?
Well, first of all, we continue to work very closely with the Edmonton Oilers franchise on refining Alberta's proposal. We're very keen on attracting the NHL playoffs for the summer shortened season here. And I think we've got a tremendous pitch to make. First of all, in terms of the Alberta being a star performer in North America on the public health response to the pandemic, particularly here in Edmonton, where the number of active cases, I think we're down to 50 active cases in this population of, in Greater Edmonton of 1.2 million people. And if I'm not, I think a handful of people in hospital with hundreds of acute care beds that have been set aside for COVID patients, together with the highest per capita testing in North America, if not the world. I think we are the safest place they could find in the continent to come and in a very thoughtful and careful way finish off the season with the playoffs. We've got one of the best facilities, I would say the best facility, with the brand new Rogers Place Arena. It is attached to a brand new hotel. All of the services are right there, can be safely integrated in a protected zone that would keep the players and staff insulated. And so we've got a very, very strong pitch, I think, to make. And I look forward to speaking again with Commissioner Bettman, hopefully later this week, about all of that. So really, I mean, but at the end of the day, you know, the beating heart of hockey and the NHL is the Canadian prairies. Can't imagine a better place to come to than the home of the Edmonton Oilers, than this province that has done so much for the sport of hockey and for the NHL for decades. It just makes so much sense. And so we'll be making a significant pitch. And I think it'd be great for Alberta if we can do this safely, working with the NHL to make sure that all the safety protocols are met. It would be great for this province. You know, we're going to need to kickstart our tourism industry as we come out of the pandemic, and I can't imagine a better way than tens of millions of people seeing the NHL playoffs coming out of Edmonton, Alberta.